Durban Network eduze kwami uJacinta Ngobese Zuma, who's the founder of March and March. Sisi bekubaleka ngana ukuthi nihambe lezi zasentuthuko namhlanje.
I think bekubaleka kakhulu ngoba nje siyazi ukuthi phela le misebenzi iyona le khona sithatha abantu bokufika and ngokwethu kumele ngabe khona umuntu osuka le kude ezo-drive isithuthuko la kuyenza sense nje ukuthi nabantu abahlele emakhaya bengasebenzi kodwa futhi ekubalulekile nje nathi sifuna ukuthola khona abantu abayimisele ngomsebenzi ala kakhulu ukuthi khona abantu abangawuthathi abangawufuni ukuthi umsebenzi so sifuna thina ukugqugquzela labo abafunayo ukuthola umsebenzi la abazothatha futhi siyasibona.
Khona enye insizwa la ekhaleni ukuthi kune-SMS okanye i-conversation ebeyizothelisa ku-social media whereby beplana ukuthi bambulale ngokuvela umuntu ophambili kulwa lento.
Yeah, I think the conversation just I have bottom up kweseni ngagcina ukuthi igama lakho into elungiswayo ngoba kwakuomunye wabantu manje babemise omunye wethu bamisa bathathe nefoni bamise kumaphoyisa base bathola khona ngale ningi futhi lokho nje is one of the things ezinye izinto zayithusa siyathemba ukuthi amaphoyisa azolungisa.
Uphinde warekhotha indaba yacelemba namhlanje ukuthi omunye odadewabo bomuntu oyiphathi emashini manje ulimele nengane yakhe basesibhedlela.
Yeah, ayona ngisho iphathi emashini masho umuntu oyi-celebrity obencoma nje ukuthi usamncoma naye ikhathi mhlawumbe isibonga abanye abantu abayidingiswe support manje so angeke ngisho nanokuthi umuntu mhlawumbe uye phambili ukuthi sengazi kulimala ilunga lomndeni ngaleyo ndlela kodwa-ke ila esibheke khona manje esofuna uku-check ukuthi usenjani isimo sakhe esinjani because akuyona into esithusayo ukuthi abantu baya ngaphandle bangayenza ngoba siyabazi vele basuke emazweni anodlame so iningi labo nje alikwazi vele ukusolve izinto ngaphandle ukuthi sibebe nodlame. Siyazi ukuthi nabanye babo bahleli nje abalindele nodlame ngoba mhlawumbe babona ukuthi kuyadlalwa malingekho udlame so siyathemba ukuthi amaphoyisa azogcina elungisile indaba yokubakhipha bagodwe emakubo bangazibacala baqale le mikhuba le bayijwayele ngasemakubo ngoba ukubone nje ukuthi semazweni ayithandayo thina sibona abantu abathanda konke ukuthi sikwenza ngokomthetho futhi sifuna ukuthi umthetho uhlonishwe ngokuthi bagodwe babuyele emakubo ngoba bala elizweni lomthetho.
Mhlawumbe ungathi inhliziyo enhle kuma-South Africans iyona esithele safika la sikhona.
Angeke ngize ngisho njalo ayikho into e-wrong ukuba nenhliziyo enhle inkinga nje uma uhulumeni ongayithathi serious imithetho yayo njengoba silana nje sikhuluma ngemithetho yabekwe yibona yabo so akwazi ukuthi kube yithina futhi siphusha uhulumeni ukuthi u-enforce imithetho yawo ekwalokho-ke sesibonile ukuthi siphila kwi-state esingazi sisho mhlawumbe ukuthi mafia state baningi abantu ababhenefithayo from i-chaos makhona i-chaos yabo from amaphoyisa athatha iy'mali to abantu bahulumeni okuyibona bafuna imingcele ihlale ivuliwe ukuze bezokwazi ukuletha lezinto zabo eziwunobugebengu phakathi ukuthi baqhubeke bayilethe ezweni kodwa bacabangele ikusasa leli lizwe ngoba at the end of the day alikho ilizwe engathiwa liqhubeke nje loku ngena abantu yabo bezofuna imisebenzi bazofuna indawo zokuhlala ukuthi asinawo ama-resources a-unlimited wonke ayaphela nathi njengoba siwabona ukuthi kahle kahle asephelile la esikhona so sesilwele ukuthi nalokho okuncane-ke okusele kungasaleli thina kodwa kusalele ikusasa lezwe kulabo abasaza emva kwethu.
Uphrimia waseLimpopo sike samuzwa kuluma indaba ukuthi abayidingi imashini manje eLimpopo ngisolve their problem kuthini iphawula
eLimpopo phela uphrimia onika umthetho nje ukuthi agamishe i-problems kodwa abantu baseLimpopo abantu base-South Africa so if abantu base-South Africa bethi bafuna ukuthi kube khona imashini manje izoba khona nto isikhona phela imashini manje eLimpopo so too late ayikho into engayenza ukuthi ayimisi ukuthi ibe khona phansi kuyenzeka already njengoba wabona nje last week Friday babe nemasha ngasuka phansi ubona lezi iy'nsuku babhizi nazo bakhipha abantu bokufika abangekho ezweni semthethweni so ayikho into ezomisa ukuthi abantu ba-exercise amalungelo abo. akekho futhi umuntu la eSouth Africa engidela ukuthi ngabe uyayisho into kuba thina sipromote ukuthi kube khona abantu iy'tolo akwazi usizo thina sithi amanolutha awazi usizo thina sithi amanoshaya abantu nihambe nobahlukumeza no konke into esishoyo ihambisana nomthetho ukuthi ngokomthetho sivumelekile ukuthi sihambe semashephini ngokomthetho sivumelekile ukuthi sithathe amaphoyisa sihambe siwatshengisa la hlala khona abantu bafika ngokomthetho akufanele ngabe umuntu ukuthi uyasebenza ezweni i-passport ihamba igcine la izona zinto esiyikhulumayo thina okunye nokunye ukuthi igebengu sayibona amathuba ukuthi acapitalize kwi-match and match umthetho wase-South Africa kumele udlale indima yabo babophe futhi labo bantu abenza lezi zinto zokulutha nokutshontsha kulala abantu nokushaya abantu asisebenzi.
Sisiqalele umkhankaso we-match and match ungathi impilo yakho ishintshe kangakanani?
Ishintshile kodwa it's not a change I think mhlawumbe khona into drastic kakhulu khona ikona nje ukuthi I mean public ayekade ngaqala ukwasemehlweni abantu from dala nje since I was very young hlala mhlawumbe ohlala endlini manje makhona into engiyenzayo ube umuntu o-active stands up for what they believe in. Is who I am. So I don't think much has changed except that man, honestly. So risky. So abantu dangerous. Abantu abangasithandi, abantu ababona so okuhlungi lokho ukuthi abantu bonke umuntu manje say-victim ngoba nakho sithi sifuna ukufa umthetho yabo ngoba baningi abebheka ukuthi
the successes of Match and Match, maybe you can point maybe 3 or 2.
We don't call it success in Match and Match, it's success for the whole country. At least that's what we want. There is for a country where laws are enforced. More born about a goal, for example, or Marble Towers, the biggies. So it's a win for South Africans. As South Africans, but for South Africans, about the Match and Match, South Africans, you know, they figure they all making their voices heard, etc. And that's what we want. We want the whole country to be a popular country, a country that respects the laws, and the laws must favor South Africans. That's why we see the text, but they don't favor South Africans.
Today is morning. Having the band of Hagel for which the Saskatchewan Summit in my mind. Can you confirm what you go to security?
We are more much because I mean, we had conversations, we spoke about the way forward and how things that have happened in the past have affected the movement and his movement and ours as well as Msebenzi Sana. And we are hoping from now going forward because it's not about personality, it's not about him, it's not about me, it's about a bigger picture, and none of us is actually bigger than what is happening.
Last question, Lunensizwa, esibone ibosha was Bedford View, if I'm not mistaken, kodwa usuka e-UK ubulale umngane ney'ngane zakhe ezimthuthu. Akube siyindawo edeleleke kangako ukuthi abantu abangama-fugitives bathula indawo khosana.
Well, I mean, I feel like every time these things happen, they vindicate your I've been consistently saying that South Africa